I'm Ollie Owl, here to teach you a new letter. This letter is called J and makes the sound J. Can you say the sound J? There are lots of things that begin with the letter J. Can you say them all? Jelly, jet, jewels, jellyfish, juice, jigsaw, jeans, jeep, jelly beans, jump, jaguar, jar, uppercase J and lowercase j. Can you trace the letter J in the air and say the sound J? Remember to start where the arrow is. Now get a pencil and paper and practice writing the letter J and saying the sound J. Join Ollie Owl again for more letters and sounds.